trying to figure out the secret behind those amazing illusions and magic tricks? Our new compilation of magic tricks will set you up with the chops you need to impress your friends with your amazing magic and sleight of hand. Do you think that performing magic tricks requires an incredible amount of talent? Well, in most cases, the secret behind a great magic trick is in the props. Let's make a magical vanishing box. We'll need 3 sheets of thick colored paper. Make 3 box blueprints, each one smaller than the previous. Cut out the blueprints. Cut off the excess. First, assemble the biggest box with the help of some glue. Then, the medium-sized box, which will have only 3 walls. And finally, make the smallest box. Put our magic prop together. The double bottom box is done. The secret is to take out either 1 or 2 boxes. We won't be able to fit in a rabbit, but we can still perform a pretty impressive trick with a candy. If people with metal kinesis attract metal objects, then what do I have? Pencil kinesis? How else would you explain the fact that pencils just stick to my hands? Show everyone that your hands are empty. Take a pencil in your left hand. With the fingers of your right hand, firmly grip your wrist and open the hand holding the pencil. Magic! The pencil doesn't fall off. The secret is to hold the pencil with your index finger. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The next trick will be featuring a lighter and some pen ink. With the help of some pliers, get rid of the metal tip of the pen. Push out a drop of ink onto the nozzle of the lighter. Turn the wheel to make a spark. The flame starts floating in mid-air. The more fuel you add, the higher the flame rises. The magician paints the world in all kinds of colorful tones, and his magic box can paint threads into different colors. We'll need an empty matchbox and 2 threads of different colors. Make 4 holes in the box using an awl. Pull the threads through the hole, placing them crosswise. Push the box back in. Attach together the ends of the threads. Secure the lid in place. Add a cute face on the box. Done! This simple but interesting trick will be a good addition to a magician's repertoire. For the next trick, we're going to need a strict black background. Take an actual size picture of a coin on a black backdrop. Press the coin against the backside of the phone with your fingers. Make it look like you randomly stumbled across a picture of a coin. Swipe your finger and release the coin. The wow effect is guaranteed. Wish you could do the same with a picture of a million? If only it were that simple. Let's make a prop for another trick. We'll need a transparent plastic cup for this one. Using an awl, make 2 tiny holes in the walls of the cup. Pull a string through them. Secure it with some hot glue. Decorate the cup with some colored paper to conceal our crafty modifications. Insert a hook into a bright and thick lace or rope. Pour some liquid in the cup. Lower the rope into the cup, trying to catch the string with the hook. Pull on the rope and lift up the cup. Rope levitation in action! Reveal the secret to your friends so that they know what got them fooled. Amaze your friends with your fine skill to balance a coin on the edge of a playing card. Can you do it? In order to make this trick work, you'll need to bend the edges of the card a little bit. Place the coin and gently restore the initial state of the card. Voila! The trick worked! Prank your candy-loving friend with this fun trick. Stick the candy to the plate with some double-sided tape. Call your friend to come take a look at this cool new trick you've just learned. Cover the plate with the candy with a second identical plate. Utter the magic abracadabra and turn the plate an odd number of turns. Lift up the plate and the candy's gone. Where did they go? Say what you will, but card tricks will never go out of fashion. Show the card to the audience. Nothing supernatural, an ordinary jack of hearts. Make a magic gesture and wave your hand around. What's that? The finger just went right through the card. A bit of magic and the card is whole again. Intrigued yet? We will need some preparation first before we can enjoy the standing ovation. We are going to need scissors, tape, a coin, a pencil, and a few playing cards, 2 Jack of Hearts from 2 identical decks, and another random card. We chose a lucky 7. Cut out a round window the size of the coin in one of the jacks. Put it up against the 7 and mark the outline of the window with a pencil. Cut out a circle in the 7 as well. Trim the edges of the second jack. Secure the edge pieces onto the back side of the main card with double-sided tape. Trim the second jack so that it can move freely on the card. While moving around, the jack peeps through the window. So that's the secret. Attach the dummy card with some tape. By spending some time on preparation, you can amaze your friends with this awesome card trick. Next, we'll show you how to make matches that you can light off any surface. We'll need some water and a box of matches. Wet the match and rub it against the side of the box to collect some phosphorus on the match head. Let the matches completely dry out. The surface and different matches are ready to go. Let's test them. They work! Just don't forget that it's dangerous to play with fire. You won't need to go to the Illusionist Academy to learn how to perform this simple yet effective little trick. Stick a piece of double-sided tape onto your thumb. Attach a match on the tape. Let's see what we've got. Close your hand and the match lifts up. Open and the match is hidden behind the thumb. Match, no match, reappearing and disappearing again. Magic! Let's continue with our tricks with matches, but this time it's the matchbox that's going to vanish. Cover the box with your hand. Voila! The matches are still there, but the box just disappeared. Show your hands to let everyone see that they're empty. Well, it's not actual magic, but our very carefully crafted props. Cut off the bottom and one of the sides of the box. Glue it with double-sided tape onto the match holder. Glue the matches to the holder so that they don't fall off when the box turns. Now you just have to learn to turn the matchbox without anyone noticing. Test your sleight of hand. Are you ready to be impressed? Fold an elastic band in half and put it on the index and middle fingers of your left hand. With a fake move, closing your hand into a fist, seamlessly pull the band onto your palm and put 4 fingers through it. Release the hand and the band jumps to your pinky and ring finger. Try experimenting with 2 bands to enhance the effect. This next trick will work because of our old friend, static electricity. We'll need a glass Sprite bottle and a plastic straw. Rub the straw with a terry towel. Put it on the bottleneck, and our bioenergy makes the straw follow your hand. What kind of sorcery is this? It's hard to hold a banknote on the tip of your finger. Money just keeps falling out of our hands. It'll be a lot more fun if we add a shiny coin to the banknote. Put the coin into a fold on the bill and place the heavier side on your index finger. And now we can easily balance the banknote. Writing with a pen is so old school. Take your pen, put it in a paper cone, and crumble it up into a ball. How is that possible? Let's make the body of the pen out of a plastic straw. Add the other standard pen parts. Done! An easy way to achieve an unexpected effect. A handkerchief that goes straight through the phone? My poor smartphone! Don't worry, your phone is going to be fine. Cut off a plastic strip from the edge of a folder. Bend it into a corner piece. Attach this corner to the phone a bit lower than the center of the screen. Covering this little secret with your hand, push the handkerchief through the plastic corner. Intercept it on the other side and pull on it. If done fast and with confidence, this trick is sure to amaze everyone around. Sometimes even a ball pen can turn into a magic wand. We'll need a 1.5 liter bottle of water. Place the ball pen inside the bottle. If you position the bottle horizontally, the pen sticks to the walls and becomes invisible because of the refraction of the water. Get a second pen and gently tap on the bottle. Quickly, turn the bottle over, and the pen suddenly appears inside out of nowhere. Did you enjoy our magic tricks? Which one are you eager to try out yourself? The coin-spinning phone, the matches that don't need a box to light up, or the magical disappearance of candy? Let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to press on the bell icon to get a notification whenever we upload a new video.